Have you ever wondered about the intricacies involved in the design and functioning of an automobile? From the clutch to the aerodynamics, every single element plays a crucial role in how your vehicle performs. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of automotive engineering. We begin with the clutch, that vital link between the engine and the transmission. A clutch needs to provide a smooth engagement between two rotating shafts, while also being able to handle high RPMs and torque. And did you know there are different types of clutches? From friction clutches to fluid couplings, each has its unique characteristics and applications. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the gearbox. This is where the magic happens to ensure that your car moves at the right speed. Whether it's a Slidingmesh, Constantmesh, Synchromeshandepicyclicgearbox, or an epicyclic gearbox, each has its own way of transmitting power from the engine to the wheels. And for those who prefer a more relaxed driving experience, there's the automatic transmission, which does all the gear shifting for you. Moving on, we have the driveline, consisting of propeller shafts, universal joints, and differentials. These components work together to deliver power from the engine to the wheels. The differential, in particular, is quite fascinating. It allows the wheels on the same axle to rotate at different speeds, which is essential when turning corners. Next, we have the brakes, the unsung heroes of safety. Whether it's a front wheel or rear wheel brake, their job remains the same: to slow down or stop your vehicle. And then there's the advanced anti-lock braking system, or ABS, which prevents the wheels from locking up during sudden braking, thereby maintaining the vehicle's steering ability. Steering, speaking of which, is another crucial aspect of vehicle design. Steering geometry, linkages, and gears all contribute to how your vehicle responds when you turn the wheel. Then there's the concept of oversteer and understeer, which relates to the vehicle's responsiveness during cornering. Moving down, we come to the suspension. This system is responsible for providing a smooth ride by absorbing the shocks and bumps from the road. Whether it's a conventional or independent suspension, it has to balance comfort, stability, and handling. Let's not forget about the importance of body engineering. From the materials used to the aerodynamic design, it all contributes to the vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, and safety. And then there's the chassis, the vehicle's skeleton, if you will, which bears the brunt of all the loads and forces acting on the vehicle. Finally, we touch on the role of ergonomics and safety. From the design of the driver's seat to the placement of the pedals, every detail is meticulously planned to ensure a comfortable and safe driving experience. And then there are safety features like airbags, which can be the difference between life and death in a crash. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of automotive engineering. From the clutch to the aerodynamics, it's a world of complex systems and components working in harmony to give you a smooth, safe, and enjoyable driving experience.